Another day, another fortnight. Poco. Guys, we have another dilemma. Here's the rundown. Shout out Ekko's Quest something right here. This is the start of this dilemma. This microwave is not really warming up my food anymore. And I got kind of annoyed. So we're throwing it out in the trash. Alright, this is me, Ekko, throwing the microwave in the trash. Then what happened? I was like, oh, well, I want to warm up food and I need to basically open my new microwave. I then opened the microwave. Originally, I thought the outlet was broken, so I finally contacted my landlord. Here are my text messages. Hey, my microwave broke a while ago and I've been procrastinating. Can you fix it now? Can we invade your privacy to fix it? Press the reset button, it might fix it. Wow, I can't believe I lived like 5 months without having a working microwave. And then I bought a brand new microwave thinking that the old microwave was broken. Before I knew that the outlet was fixed, I already put the microwave in the bathroom. On my toilet. I just want to eat my food, and the kitchen has a bunch of stuff over there, so I'm just gonna warm up my food right now. Look what it sounds like, guys. Oh. What the hell? Why did it start it? Wait, I got to work somehow. Hey, it's cooking. Hey, Ekko, warming up his food for today. I'm so happy I have this microwave. Wow, this is so amazing. Oh, it can use some more. This is an amazing time in our lives, how technology has improved so much. Where you can have your microwave on the toilet. This is truly a hashtag influencer moment. I'm so glad I own this microwave. How long will it be on the toilet? I guess until I have to use the toilet. But it really does look like a green screen. Oh. It's cooking. Wow. Hey, it's time for me to eat.